Good morning, good evening, or good night. Hope everyone has had or is having an amazing day. My name is Jake Caputo, and welcome to GOYA Academy. In today's video, I'm going to be making a tier list of the best retail brokerages of 2020. Let's get into it. This is going to be one of the first decisions that you make when starting your investment journey. Figuring this out now can save you time on filling out documents, eliminate the FOMO from not being able to trade, and even save you money on transfer fees. First, you need to figure out if you're a trader or an investor. So now you might be asking yourself, what's the difference? Trading involves short-term strategies to maximize returns daily, monthly, or quarterly. Investing takes a long-term approach to the markets and often applies to such principles as dividend accounts and retirement accounts. Right now I do both. I perform swing trades and watch trend lines, as well as invest in long-term for more security and the retirement benefits. Now let's go through some of the pros and the cons of each brokerage and rank them on the tier list. It's important to note that all of these brokerages are members of the SIPC and FINRA, or the Security Investor Protection Corporation, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. The reason why it's so important for your brokerage to have memberships with these agencies is because these agencies put guidelines in the industry to help protect your investments. When investing in any market, it's best to do your own research, and I suggest Tradingview for this. Tradingview is an easy-to-use website and mobile app. They provide real-time data, broad charting tools, educational information, and the sharing of trading ideas. Starting off with Fidelity. Fidelity has excellent trade executions, terrific research, and customizable news feeds, as well as uninvested cash gets swept into a money market fund. On the other hand, customers have to manually refresh data on the website. Non-US citizens cannot open an account, and there are no commodities or options on futures. I'm going to start Fidelity off with a B ranking because they're a great company and have a lot to offer, but I don't like how they don't have a wider selection of asset classes and how you have to refresh the page to get updated data. Next up, we got TD Ameritrade. Okay, some of the pros here: they have one of the best educational offerings, extensive research capabilities, and numerous news feeds with additional support channels using Facebook Messenger, Twitter, and others. Cons would include that investors are paid a tiny rate of interest at 0.01 to 0.05%, as well as their website is so filled with content and tools that finding a particular item can be difficult. I'm going to place TD Ameritrade in the A ranking, because not only are they one of the oldest brokerages around, but they have a great reputation for customer service and have a wide variety of educational tools and resources that you can use. Moving on to Charles Schwab. Schwab offers its clients free access to news feeds, robust market research with 26 in-house experts, and also have a deep level of customization through their Street Smart Edge app. Cons include that they have no bonds or CDs available, as well as their website is a lot more basic compared to their mobile app that has a lot more features and tools. Charles Schwab is going to receive a B ranking because I dislike how they have no bonds, as well as they need to update their website. Next up is Mural Edge. They have great customer service and portfolio analysis tools, as well as excellent proprietary and third-party research. Cons include that they have relatively high options fees and margin interests, they have no cryptocurrency or futures trading, as well as online option spreads are limited to 2 legs. I like Mural Edge a lot because they have a great customer service reputation, as well as a lot of resources that you can use for your own research, but I feel as if they deserve a C because they don't have a wider variety of asset classes to choose from, as well as they have a higher amount of fees that you'd have to pay. Moving on to E-Trade. E-Trade has paper trading capabilities to test strategies, give you the option to choose between a pre-built portfolio or make your own, and also have 2 excellent mobile apps aimed at different trading styles. Cons is that they do not have direct access to international markets, and if you have more than one account with a different brokerage, they do not offer account consolidation to form a complete picture of your net worth. E-Trade is going to receive a B from me because I like how they have a wide array of options and capabilities that you can use as a beginner or an advanced trader. But what I don't like is that you can't consolidate your accounts to find out a more accurate representation of your net worth. Next up is the largest growing brokerage of 2020, which is Robinhood. Their platform is very simple and easy to use, trading costs are very low, and they offer fractional investing. Customers have instant access to deposited cash, and if you use the referral code down in the link in the description, you'll receive an extra free stock with sign up. Now don't get too excited yet, because their quotes are a bit delayed, they have very little analysis tools, and many customers have reported several outages and lack of customer service. It's also worth mentioning that Robinhood was just fined $65 million due to misleading customers about revenue sources and failing to satisfy duty of best execution. Now, I think Robinhood has a lot of potential. Being that they're easy to use and offer fractional investing, I think it's a great option for beginners. The problem is that their customer service is lackluster, and there's been many reports of outages and people having problems with their accounts. So I'm going to give them the D on this one. Webull has 25 technical indicators and live news to research performance. They also have a paper trading option, which is great for beginners. And when you sign up using the link in the description and deposit your first $100, you can receive 4 free stocks. On the flip side, Webull doesn't post a phone number or have a live chat option on their website. They also only offer bank transfers for deposit and withdrawal and have a limited product portfolio. Like Robinhood, I think Webull can be great for beginning investors because they give you the paper trading option that gives you $1 million of free money that you can use to start learning how to invest into the markets. The problem I have with them is that they don't have a live chat or a phone number that you can use to contact somebody about problems that may arise. And last but not least, Tastyworks. Tastyworks uses options-focused charting to help you understand the probability of making a profit, and they have a customizable platform with real-time quotes. On the other hand, they have no bonds or CDs available, and if you're new to trading options, the platform will look bewildering at first. I'm going to put Tastyworks as a D. This is because they're options-focused. I don't believe it's good for beginners to start trading with options because they're much more riskier. Now let's end the video on some keys and takeaways. Figure out what type of investor you want to be. Know your needs. Are you doing this for retirement purposes, for fun, or just for learning? Narrow the field. So know if your brokerage is one of these members of agencies that can help protect your money against fraud. Test the platform on desktop and mobile. Does the brokerage educate you? Ease of moving funds. Customer service? I can't stress this last one enough. Do your own research. These are only my suggestions, and these policies change year after year, quarter after quarter. That's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and comment down below and subscribe for more.